National Weather Service in State College, Pennsylvania has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for eastern Schuylkill County in central Pennsylvania until 3:30 p.m. At 2:24 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along the line extending from near Delano to New Philadelphia to near Friedensburg, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Schuylkill Haven, Tamaqua, Mahanoy City, Orwigsburg, Locust Lake State Park, Grier City Park Crest, New Philadelphia, Snyders, Port Carbon, and Friedensburg. This includes Interstate 81 from mile markers 129 to 139.
It was just too much. I found out that Brittany was never pregnant and never actually had these twins. The picture Brittany actually showed me was a fake. She took a picture from another woman who was holding her